Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I am Vasant Kumar. Did you know that the average daily carbon footprint of a person in a developed country is over 30 kilograms, but most of us have no idea where our individual emissions actually come from. Today I am excited to show you Eco Agent, an autonomous environmental assistant designed to solve this exact problem by helping individuals calculate, understand and reduce their daily footprint. Eco Agent is built on the Google Agent Development Kit and sits squarely in the Agents for Good track. It takes unstructured natural language, logs of data, daily activities, performs real-world carbon calculations and generates behavior interventions to help users adopt a lower carbon lifestyle. You can see on our cover banner, Eco Agent is designed to be a premium, secure and highly intelligent partner in carbon mitigation, transforming casual natural language descriptions of your day into structured environmental metrics. Coming to the architecture diagram of our project, let's walk through our Eco Agent's works under the hood. First, when a query comes in, it enters the start node and immediately hits our security checkpoint. If any security issues are found, the request is redirected to the security event handler, which gracefully blocks the input. If safe, it routes to the primary orchestrator node. The orchestrator leverages two specialized sub-agents via agent tools: the tracker agent, which parses activity logs and performs the carbon footprint mathematics, and the intervention agent, which generates suggestions to reduce emissions. Both sub-agents connect to a custom STDIO model context protocol server that hosts tools like calculate emissions and get green alternatives. Once the report is compiled, the flow passes to the approval node, which passes the workflow for human confirmation before logging the data. Finally, the final output node displays the complete carbon footprint report in the UI. I will enter a typical daily log in the playground text box. I drove my car for 15 km and had beef for dinner. I will submit this request. Notice that the orchestrator immediately coordinates. The tracker agent uses the MCP tool to calculate that driving 15 km in a car emits 4.5 kg of CO2, while a beef dinner emits 15.5 kg of CO2, bringing our daily total to 20 kg. Then the intervention agent suggests alternatives. Switching to public transit would save up to 55% of transit emissions, and switching to chicken or a vegetarian meal would save over 80% of dinner emissions. It also recommends forest planning of set projects. But before saving this to the history, the system passes. It asks, would you like to save this daily activity log and recommendations to your history? If yes, and submit, the state is updated and the final report is displayed. Security is core to our design. Over security checkpoint scans all input for PII like emails or phone numbers and checks for prompt injection keywords. Every single scan is logged to a structured local JSON audit file for auditability. Additionally, our custom MCP server exposes 4 precise tools that query standard carbon coefficient tables locally to keep computations fast and reliable. By giving individuals transparent real-time insights into their carbon footprint, Eco Agent empowers everyone to make micro behavioral changes that have a macro impact on our planet. Eco Agent makes green living simple, secure and actionable. Thank you.